Sige. Shopping, shopping. Anong dadalhin niya? Ay, nagpa-practice para sa surfing. It's for the surfing. Si Belle, gusto mo, Belle? Dito na.
Kailangan sumakay tayo ng barkulor.
Oo. Magano tayo?
Ayan, ang gumabila. Pwede ito pitutin.
Oh, wag. Wag. Wag kang ganyan. Wag kang ganyan. Yan. Oh, ito bilo ito. Tapos magpipicture tayo na kaano. Boating kami, sasakay kami sa boat. Yeah. Where is it? Tanongin mo lang. Sige. Tanongin niya ko. We're gonna go. We're gonna walk here, all around.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. We're gonna walk over. Wala pa naman. Ay, ba't ka tumatawag sa akin?
Hindi, ikaw tinawagan.
Talaga? Nagtatawagan kayo, kasama kami. Kasi hindi namin alam saan kami pupunta. Tinatawagan ka na? Hindi pa naman. Sa boat? 3 o'clock pa?
3:30, ano ka na?
Oh, 3:30. 3 ano pa na?
Yun, sabi ko kay Bibi yung
Nikot pa tayo.
sabi ko.
Sabi niya doon.
Hindi, ito yung
Tanungin mo. Sasakay kami sa boat. Magboboting kami ni Bea. Yan, sasakay na kami sa boat.
Guys, aloha, welcome aboard.
Hi.
Hopefully get some good pictures with that today.
Say hi to the boat. Riding the boat.
You gotta get before and after shot.
Yes, thank you. Where you want, Phil? Doon. Oh, mayroon pa doon. Doon sa side. Here. Oh, wala na. Oh, so somebody. It's okay here.
ito na lang.
Here. Yeah.
Ito.
Yeah, dito ka na lang. Hey, Miguel.
That's hopeful. I want you to think happy whale thoughts. I would love to show you those.
Dito pa tayo sa makeup.
Hey, aloha everybody. We're still waiting on a couple of customers. Listen, I've got 2 cooler boxes of water up here, left and right. All you can drink. Help yourself.
Okay, thank you.
No, well, that's up to you. Let me kind of go over the boat with you guys. First of all the life jackets are right up here. Children and adults here. I have another big group back here. If you guys behind you take a look, see those 2 fire extinguishers? You're in charge. Okay, so if you put out any fires today, not this time, but the next time you come out on the boat, they give you a 20% discount. So
Oh, yeah.
makes you want to run right into that fire, doesn't it? So we'll take care of the fires. And everybody, believe it or not, this little boat has a bathroom, and it's right back here. Okay, so it's all the way in the back on the left. And there's a little sign there that says caution, step down. So watch yourself as you're going in. And it's a boat toilet, guys, so it's going to look a little different than what you're used to. So when you go in, on your right side, it looks like a bicycle tire pump. So when you're done, you just pump that up and down 4 times, should be more than enough. I do have a really big favor. If you use any toilet paper, I know this doesn't make sense, don't try to flush it down the toilet. It plugs up everything in the boat. And a couple weeks ago, that took me over 3 hours to clean. So we're off, everybody. You know, as we head out here, I always say talk a little bit about this spot. We're in an area called Kewalo Basin. And what a basin means, it's a little harbor. Believe it or not, you can put literally about 15 of these in Honolulu Harbor. That's how big Honolulu is. But I would say when you look at all these boats, 85% or so have something to do with tourism. So on our left side, we have the Royal Hawaiian, the Hokutu, the Manukai. Behind us, the Honolani. Those are all snorkeling tour boats. So that's a typical boat that you're going to use if you go snorkeling. Anybody ever watched the movie Along Came Polly? The Royal Hawaiian was the boat that they used in that movie. If you guys are looking for a really nice dinner cruise while you're here, guys, turtle. And the turtles will actually choke to death eating these. Guys, it's the worst thing I've ever seen scuba diving because you can't help them out. He quadrupled what he paid for it. So, one of those, whatever I touch turns the gold kind of guys. Okay, I'm the opposite. That's why I'm here today. The blue boat over there was on the 4th season of Lost, and this the commercial boats next door. They take their catch down the road to Pier 38. So you're talking 10-minute drive that way. That is where our fish market and our auction block are. And the reason why I like to bring this up is I'm always getting asked, well, where's a good place for seafood here? Where the food is, of course, good and the prices are reasonable. Waikiki is so expensive for seafood. My favorite restaurant, guys, on the island is called Nick because it's attached to the fish market. You're not going to get any fresher fish anywhere. And if you have anybody in your group that does not like seafood, because, you know, there's usually one person, they make good hamburgers and chicken, so here you go. I know I sound like a commercial, but I'm always getting asked, where's a good place for seafood? Research vessels, they take supplies to the northwestern island, in the Hawaiian island chain. And they were taking supplies when they had the fire over in Maui this past summer. And this building over here, that is where a lot of our tourists get married. The top left there and the top right are chapels. The middle is where they hold the wedding reception, so they can do 2 weddings at a time. Last night they had 2 sunset weddings going on, so they use it a lot for that. The bottom is a seafood Italian restaurant called 53 by the Sea, and as you can tell, there's a pretty nice view from there, right? So when the view goes up, so does the price. So expensive. And look at the waves here. So if you get off the board the wrong time, you're standing in coral and urchin. So those are literally the future professionals. I've got a great spot I'll show you in Waikiki if you want to try surfing. Now another expert hill is on the right. This is called Point Panic. And they call it that because if you are late getting off the wave, guess where you're going? Right into the wall. If it's low tide, you're going to get dragged over the reef. Then you're going to go right into the wall. So, good name for it. And if you look straight across us on the right, that white building over there, you've been there, that is the Honolulu Airport. And when you go way outside to the left, that is where you're going to find the Disney Resort and Waikele Shopping Center. Okay. And looks like another island out there. That's actually the mountain range of Hawaiian Island. So, I'm going to kind of slowly pick up the speed here a little bit, guys. And if you want to get up and walk around, you can. We're at about 15 feet, 1.5, about 4 meters of water. I'm going to start heading out towards Diamond Head. And so, like I said, you can get up, walk around. It's a little bumpy at first. And remember what I talked about the hats, guys. This is where the hats go. We got a little bit of a roller coaster coming out ahead of us here. Not too bad. By the way, you guys up at the front are the special effects seats. I thought I'd throw that in too. I'll keep you dry, okay? Unless you want me to get you wet, but I'll try to keep you dry. All right, guys, so here we go. Listen, I'm going to pick it up a little bit. But once we get to our main spot, I'll slow it way down. So here we go.
See the boat over there.
Oh, guys, right ahead of us, you see the Atlantis submarine. That's getting towed back to Honolulu Harbor. So they're all done for the day. And they run by batteries, so it's very, very slow. I'll kind of scoot over there and show you that. And that is the largest or the longest non-military submarine in the world. And that holds 64 passengers and 3 crew. And they go down to about 110 feet for 40 minutes. So real nice if you get a chance.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Oh my gosh, so
Well,
much
I think the
fish.
fish. They gotta be small.
See
Those are
that?
too big.
I can't wait to
great
see
shot.
the shark.
Gray, like another great shot. CHUDD.
Where? The other side? The shark is...
Oh, I had a question about sharks here. The sharks that you see here are called white-tip reef sharks. They're like a dogfish. They're sleeping right now. They're under the reef. They wake up about sunset and eat little teeny fish. So as long as you leave them alone, they'll leave you alone. It's like my cat. If I pull my cat's tail, it's going to bite me. It's kind of the same thing. Interesting shark, they don't have to swim. Most sharks, if they don't constantly swim, will actually suffocate. Or that has a bladder in its neck that allows it to stay still. Okay, friend Captain Kevin over on the Living Ocean Tours.
Meron dyan isda.
Okay guys, so I'm going to kind of scoot us out of here. I'm going to take us closer to the Diamond Head. I'm going to pick up the speed a little bit, so maybe for about a minute. So maybe have a seat or hold on to something.
Where you go? Where you go, guys? restaurant na niluluto daw yung pagkain. Yung isda.
Isa pa. Coming. Yeah.
Gonna surf in now, guys. You go surfing without getting wet.
Yeah.
Here we go. do you get why you don't go there if you don't know what you're doing? That would be. All right, well, guys, we're slowly heading into this back into our slip here. Big mahalo from myself, Captain. Come on, we did good with the turtles. The dolphins did not cooperate. And,
I
they're
know.
actually notorious
I
for
miss
that.
it.
So means you gotta come back. But thank you very much for coming out. Just want to mention as we're heading in, we got these stickers on our boxes here that have our QR code on it. If you scan that with your phone, that'll put you on the review page of our website. And everybody, we're just a small company, local company. Only got restaurants I always like to bring up. One is if you want to try really good, authentic Hawaiian food. We've got a restaurant there called Hawaiian. They've been in business since like 1947, so they really know what they're doing. And then next to them, there's another one called Moku, M-O-K-U, Moku Kitchen. Really extensive menu, but they only use Hawaiian products in their food. And a bunch of other ones in there too. We also have our food trucks at the end of the harbor. All of that is not as expensive as Waikiki. So like a $5 bento here is a $10 bento in Waikiki. So anyway, get a chance before you head back in. A lot of nice spots to go. And I always like to try to teach you one little thing to say in Hawaiian as we head in. I know you've heard aloha a billion times. That means hello, goodbye. It actually means love. It just depends how you use it. But 3 little words I want to teach you, and it's called hui ho. Say that with me. Hui ho, and that means until we meet again. So it's a real polite thing to say, you know, when you're checking out of your hotel.
We're finished the boat tour. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye. Subscribe, guys. Please share and subscribe. Thanks. Bye. Bye bye. Thank you.
Aloha, ahui ho, ahui ho. Till we meet again. Aloha, take care.
Aloha. Aloha.